All right, so that actually turned out pretty good. I had to do that off center to get it close enough to hold it closed with no gaps. But yeah, here's what we got. So I'll probably need to figure something out to mount that pin on, like a string or something, so it doesn't get lost. Or if not this pin, another one. But that worked out exactly like I wanted it to, so that's pretty good. Here's that netting for the roof. I had started to try to sew them together and it just was not working out well. Super frustrating. I only got like 2 inches done on the end and kind of gave up because there was no kind of friction. So anytime you would let any kind of slack, it would loosen up whatever stitches you already had done. So I just got the ends kind of squared up, and then I was thinking about hot gluing it, but the longer the glue gun stayed in, the hotter it got, and eventually the glue was just melting right through the net, so that wasn't going to work. So I went along the length of it and secured all the zip ties that I just had like kind of pinned through it, and thought about just doing it like that, but it would be too much and the gaps would birds could get through the gaps, and the clear zip ties aren't suitable for outdoors. They'll break down in UV, get brittle anyway, so eventually, especially the heat of the summertime, they'll just crack with a strong gust of wind or whatever. So secured all those, went in between them with like bread ties, and then that white stuff is mastic, duct sealant. So I went along the length of it with mastic, and that should hold it, but some parts maybe didn't grip so well. So I might have to flip it and go from the backside again, but I think that should be plenty to hold it. I still never found the staple gun though, but we got to order some zip ties, so we'll pull that over the PVC and then secure it front to back and sides, and then that'll be good. But yeah, that's about it.